Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from AIforArtists. I'm blown away by what AI can do. It truly is, it's limited by your own imagination. So a lot of times I'll save videos from other artists, tutorials, and I'll go back and I'll take my notes or look at the transcripts on YouTube and I'll take my notes from that. So today I asked it to take this one site that did a nature scene and summarize it and let me know the colors that were used to make the different parts of the painting. So here are the results. It's just phenomenal. Today I used Perplexity because it claims to help students. So I thought, okay, I'm a student watching YouTube videos. So I gave it the prompt. I wanted to know the color mixes it used to achieve the colors for trees and clouds, etc. So within a split second, these are the results it gave me. The cloud shadows, the sun rays, distant hills. It broke it down into every aspect of the painting. So there's no guessing. Now, I'm going to give it a shot in my next painting and see if it worked out, and I'll probably have to adjust the colors. But overall, I love AI. It's so helpful for painters. Well, thanks for watching. Head over to my website, yellow.artist.com, for more videos. And stay tuned for future videos about AI and how it can help artists.